So, very good morning, students. Today we shall be discussing once again about English grammar. So, we are going to do the lesson 2, that is parts of speech, in this particular lecture. So, let's begin. So, what are parts of speech? Now, in English grammar, there are a set of words which are known as parts of speech. For example, there is a small sentence in front of you, such as the boy ran quickly towards the yellow bus, school bus. So in this particular sentence, as you can see, I have underlined each and every word, because each and every word here is a part of speech. So for learning English and understanding the usage of English, we should understand these parts of speech. So parts of speech are specific words used in English. There are 8 parts of speech, such as noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In many cases, the articles also can be included in the parts of speech. So once again, the 8 parts of speech are in front of you. Then we have the next thing. You can just take a quick look at all the parts of speech here in front of you, where I have also included the articles. So let us first talk about the noun. So the name given to a class or group of person, place, animal or thing is known as a noun. So nouns are used when we speak in general, generally when we are talking about some things. For example, Samir's father is a teacher. So Samir here is a noun, then father is a noun, teacher is a noun, then friends is a noun, then Pune, a place, is a noun, student is a noun, then cat is a noun, and then you have a bicycle, which is a noun. So all those things that you see around you, all those things which you can look around you, are nouns. So for other examples, if I have to give to you, inside your classroom itself is a noun, then the desk, the chalk, the board, the teacher, the students, the college or the school itself, all are nouns. So next is a pronoun. So what's a pronoun? These words replace the nouns when they are repeated more than once. For example, I would like to explain to it in a very easy manner. See here, when we read that Suraj is a mechanical engineer, Suraj lives in Pune, Suraj owns a house, Suraj is a smart and healthy, Suraj has a dog. Here in this particular sentence, we occur to some problems, or there are some errors in this. What is the error? We have to continuously repeat this particular name, Suraj again and again, which is improper. So instead of this, we use a pronoun. Like Suraj is a mechanical engineer, he lives in Pune, he owns a house, he is smart and healthy, he has a dog. So instead of continuously repeating Suraj and Suraj again, making errors again, I have used a pronoun instead of his name here, which is he. In similar manner, examples is there. Meera is a doctor, she practices in Satara. I like ice cream, it tastes really good. So these are all examples of pronouns, such as he, she, it, they, we, are. So all of them are examples of pronouns. So let us see the next one. So the next is the verb. So this particular word shows the action of a noun. Whenever the noun is doing some kind of action, that becomes a verb. For example, the dog is chasing the cat. So this dog is chasing the cat. So this is also a noun and this is also a noun. Both a dog and cats are nouns. But the dog is doing some kind of action. This action is the verb. Like he is writing his homework. So this particular boy is writing his homework. So he here is pronoun, okay? And he is doing an action, so that particular action is the verb. Next examples are eat, dance, play, swing, write, open and etc. So the next is the adverb. This word describes the verb. Most of the times the adverbs end with ly, okay? So this is a suffix ly. So this particular verb or this particular word, it shows the action, in what way the action is done. For example, the cat ate quickly. So how is the cat eating? It is eating quickly. The next is the dog was barking very loudly. So how was the dog barking very loudly? So another method of finding out the adverbs is asking questions about how to the nouns. For example, when I said here, the cat ate, so ate is actually a verb, but how is the cat eating? It ate very quickly. The dog was barking. How was it barking? Very loudly. So this becomes the adverbs. Example: loudly, angrily, quickly. There are many more. So the next is the adjective. These words describe the noun. So these words, the what do you say? The action done by these words is actually they describe the noun. How is the noun? Example: Mayuri has a beautiful garden. So Mayuri here is a noun. The garden is also a noun. But how is the garden? The garden is beautiful. It is describing the garden as the garden is very beautiful. Her handwriting is neat and nice. How is the handwriting? Her handwriting is very neat and nice. He has a sweet voice. So this particular person has a sweet voice. So how is the voice? It is sweet. It is something which is describing that particular noun. Example: nice, good, beautiful, sweet, etc. are all examples of adjectives. So the next is the preposition. These words indicate the position of the noun, that where is that particular noun. For example, the cat is under the table. Where is the cat? See, both table and cat are nouns, but it is showing some kind of indication that the position of the cat is under the table. The boy sat on the chair. Where is the boy sitting? On the chair. The toffees are in the jar. So where are the toffees? They are in the jar. So all these particular nouns, their positions come to know. We come to know about their exact location. Where are they actually? So for example, the cat was under the table. The boy was sitting on the chair. The toffees are in the jar. For example, in, on, at, under, near, and etc. are all prepositions. So let us see. So the next one is conjunction. This word joins two or more sentences, phrases, words, or clauses. So the work of conjunctions is actually joining two sentences, words, phrases, and clauses. For example, Aryan is a good dancer and singer. So conjunctions are very useful in parts of speech because they actually cut out two sentences, making them as one. Okay, or for example, when I said Aryan is a good dancer, instead of using and, I could say that Aryan is a good dancer, Aryan is a good singer. Instead of that, using conjunctions, I have very effectively joined two different things in one, such as Aryan is a good dancer and singer. He likes to go college but not study. Means I could have used this particular sentence such as he likes to go to the college. He does not like to study. But in short, using this particular conjunction as but I have said he not study. Then the next one, he has many friends. He manages to give time to both study and his hobby. So two different sentences are joined together with the usage of the conjunction, making it very easy. So example for conjunctions are and, but, or, when, and then, and etc. So the next is the interjection. In interjection, these words show some kind of emotion. So these words end with an exclamatory mark. So those words are actually those particular words show some kind of emotion, maybe a surprise, maybe shock, or some kind of other things, but it ends with an exclamatory mark. For example: wow, what a beautiful dress. Oh my god, he won the race. Ouch, I really felt bad. So others are given to you like grr, oh, So let us take now a quick revision of what we had learned today in grammar lesson 2, parts of speech. So here I have given you a small table where there are parts of speech, their functions, and some example words. For example, parts of speech, there are noun, pronoun, adjective, the verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. I have not included the articles here. Next is the functions. The functions of the noun is that it's a name of a person, place, animal, or object. Example words are Arti, Pune, dog, pen, and etc. So next is the pronoun. The function of the pronoun is that it replaces a noun. It is she, they, it, are, your, and etc. the words. Next is the adjective. The function of the adjective is that it describes a particular noun. So Taj Mahal is beautiful, the dog is loyal. So next is the verb. The function of the verb is that it is the action of a noun. The dog is chasing the cat. The adverb, it describes a particular verb or an adjective, such as the boy ran quickly towards the gate. Preposition, it links a noun to another word. The pen is on the book. Conjunction, join clauses or sentences or words Ram and Suresh are brothers, and interjections are nothing but exclamations such as oh, ouch, hi, and oh my god. So here we end with the grammar lesson 2 parts of speech. So there is this things to remember before we end our grammar lesson 2 on parts of speech. So basically the parts of speech are just group of words and each of them is classified as per their work. So they are just classified in a particular sentence that which words work as a noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection, and finally the articles that are the determiners. So they can sometimes perform differently also. So we learn these parts of speech to understand grammar for better and so we can speak in a better way. So in some cases a noun can become a verb. Example, my work is easy, where work is a noun, it's an idea. Where it becomes I work in a college, where work becomes a verb. Then an adjective can become an interjection. For example, this dress looks really well on you. Here well is an adjective. Well, that was easy. Now this well became an interjection. Next is adjective can act as an adverb. That is example, the dress is very nice, where nice is an adjective, and here her dress was made very nicely, where it became an adverb. So in many different cases such things can happen that one particular part of speech can become something another. So here we end with the particular lecture of grammar lesson 2 parts of speech.